Listen, stop. Let's go. Stop. Don't roll the... I will break this glass. Don't roll this window up.
Stop.
Get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car.
No. Warren, I told him. He was an asshole talking about this is my show. I run this show. We gonna see right now. Like, I don't want you in my car. No, he was a dick, man. I haven't done anything.
Incident traffic. Stop escalating to forcible vehicle removal and arrest. Date unknown. Location jurisdiction not confirmed from available footage. Subject female driver Natalie. Officer identity undisclosed. Source body camera footage obtained via public records request.
Open the window. Does it open? Does the window open? Does the window open? Yes or no? Hello? Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Do you have your license and insurance on you?
I don't have my license.
Why not? Why are you all angry and up in arms and stuff?
You're over here harassing me. I haven't done anything. And why do you come to the... I've never had a police officer...
Well, I can do what I want, right? Like, I can go on the passenger...
You have protocol and stuff.
Oh, jeez, you're going to tell me? Okay, well, that's fine. Do you have your license and insurance? Do you have your insurance? Why don't you have your license? I can't hear you, I'm sorry. Is it, like, not good? Or what is it? Well, there's an ID right there. Can I see that ID? Can I see that ID? Are you refusing to provide me your ID?
I don't have a valid...
There was an ID right there.
It's not valid.
Is that your ID?
It's not
Is it your
valid.
ID?
Can you search on my name?
Is it your ID?
You search on my name and it'll tell you everything.
Is it your ID? That is your ID that I just saw. I don't care if it's not valid. That's fine. I can still figure your name out.
For something here. You want it or no?
Your insurance. I need your license. The one that you just have.
I don't have it on me.
What was that ID that you just had? You're making this way harder than it needs to be, honestly.
You know what, dude? I stopped at the signs. I had my signal.
You didn't stop at the sign. You signaled too late. Your license plate lights are out. That's why I stopped you, okay? But you don't have to make this into a big deal.
My hand is broken.
I got you. Listen. Look.
I don't have an ID, okay?
But there was an ID. Was that yours? Is it yes or no?
No, it's not valid. Last time I tried to show it, they were like, no, we need a valid ID. I don't have a card one.
Just show it to me. Just show it to me. It's fine, because it makes it easier for me, right? That's yours, right? Can I have it, please?
No, you can see it. You asked to see it.
Okay, give it to me. Hand it to me. Hand it to me. Okay. You want to play this game? I will literally rip you out of the car and you're going to go to jail.
For what?
Then give me the ID
I'm
now.
showing you my ID.
Give it. Give me the ID. I can't see it. Give me the ID.
Put the flashlight.
You are going to go to jail. Do you understand?
What?
Give me the ID.
Literally, my
You
hand
will
is
go to
broken.
jail.
For what?
You will go to jail if you don't give me the
Can I have
ID.
your supervisor here, please?
Give me the ID,
Can
please.
I have your supervisor here, please?
Sure, I need your ID. I'll call them as soon as you give me your ID.
As soon as he comes here, I'll...
No, I need
Yes,
the ID first because I need to know who I'm talking to. Okay.
I told you, Natalie.
Okay, you never told me your name, so now I need to verify it with your
I gave
ID.
you my insurance, and I told you, look up my name. It's on my insurance.
All right, give me your ID, please.
I showed you my ID. I said, here,
I need
here
it.
it is.
Give it
That's
to
my
me.
Picture. That's my name.
Natalie,
That's my
is that your name, Natalie? You will literally go to jail because I need to verify who you are.
And I'm telling you who I am.
Okay, but I need the ID to verify it. I'm gonna give it back to you. What's the problem here? Like, what's the big deal? Why are you acting this way? It's not the end of the world.
No, it's not.
Okay, then just give me the ID. You don't need to, we don't have to make this a huge deal. Okay, honest to God, we really don't.
That's what I'm saying. What am I doing wrong? You asked for ID,
well, hold on, Natalie.
Look,
so I'll tell you.
It's visible to you.
I
You
need
can
to
see
see.
it.
You
Look.
have to hand it to me. Please hand it to me.
First of all, you're trying opening my door for one.
Okay,
Then
Natalie.
You come to the passenger. You know, I put this one on. I said, hey, like,
Natalie,
why are
I
you...
need you to give me your ID, please. I'm gonna.
It's
I've been
threatening me
very.
to pull you out when it's like, look.
Natalie, I've been very
name.
nice. Can you just give it to me?
No, you have not.
Yes, I have been.
No, you haven't.
Can you please just give me the ID?
No, you have not.
Natalie.
Dude, my hand is broken.
Oh,
I don't
that's
have
fine.
insurance. Like, I just need to...
I got you, but
I'm not
don't make
doing
this,
anything.
Natalie. Hey, I'm gonna give you another opportunity here. Don't make it harder than it
I'm
needs to
not
be.
doing anything,
I
though.
got you, and it's all
No,
good.
you know, I asked for your supervisor, so you have to bring him.
Give
Look,
I will call
Natalie-
him. How about this? This is my traffic. Hey, Natalie.
Girl.
This is my traffic stop.
Title piece of shit, man.
Listen to me. This is my traffic stop. This is my show, not your show. Do you understand? I run this right now.
Oh, this
I
is
will
your
call.
show.
I
You
will
run
call
this.
you. I will
You tried
call
opening
you.
my door.
Listen
I
to
haven't
me.
done anything.
I will call my supervisor, but I need to see the ID, and you need to provide it to me. You need to give it to me. So I'm going to ask you one more time.
Here, put your flashlight.
I need to ask you one more time. Okay.
I'm giving him my ID.
No, you're failing to give me the ID.
I'm not giving. I'm giving
Can I
it
please?
to you. It's
Okay.
visible. I tried to
Wait,
tell
can I get
him.
another unit? Go ahead. Give me the ID, please.
Here, you can read the name. Look, push the flashlight.
Listen. All I want you to do is hand me the ID. I can't read it. You have dark tinted windows. You're holding it, but refusing to give it to me.
Here, you can see
so,
it.
can I have it, please? Can I have the ID?
Give it to you.
Okay. Well, we're going to play this a different game then.
No. What are you doing?
Listen, stop. Let's go.
Stop.
Don't roll the. I will break this glass. Don't roll this window up. Are you kidding me?
Trying to get into my car.
Because you're not.
Stop. What are you doing, man?
All right,
are
listen.
You serious? What are you doing?
Stop.
You need to stop.
Natalie,
I asked
just
for your
stop playing
supervisor.
around.
Can you please bring your supervisor?
We're past there. You will tell.
You will give it. I will give it to you as soon as. Are you serious?
You will literally talk to him as soon as we're done here.
Stop.
Get out of the car.
No.
No. Get out of the car.
No.
Cool. It could have someone step it up.
No. I haven't done anything.
Step out of the car.
I have not done anything. Can I
Step
step
out of the
or
car.
Can you stop forcing me?
Step
Can you stop? Okay,
out
I
of
will.
the car.
I don't need your assistance
Let's
to
go.
step out.
Right now. Step
Okay,
out.
all right. As soon as you let me go, I will step out of the car. Are you
Step
serious? I haven't done anything.
Enough.
My hand is broken. My hand is broken. you fucking
Enough.
asshole. My hand is broken. Did you get your power trip? My hand is broken. Ow! Fucking asshole. My hand is broken.
Okay, all right,
Ow!
relax.
Dude, I'm not resisting or anything,
Okay.
and he's being a fucking asshole.
I got you.
He's being an asshole. I told you his hand's broken. See how? Ow!
Stop
Ow.
moving.
My hand is broken.
Okay, can you stop
My hand is
moving?
broken. Can you stop hurting me?
Moving. It's not that hard.
I'm not moving. You guys are over here being forceful as shit.
I know I had to get these cuffs on weird. Just relax. I know I got these on a little weird, but we'll take care of it, okay? What? Just keep walking,
I
bro.
literally asked him. He was like, stop. Dude, he dragged me up the car and I told him. He was a f***ing asshole talking about this is my show. I run this show. We gonna see right now. Like, are you serious? I'm not moving.
You just
I'm here talking to you guys. My hands aren't separated or nothing. I'm letting you guys f***ing handcuff me.
What's your name, miss?
I gave him my name and he...
Okay, I'm not. Let's come over here. We're gonna come. Let me talk to you over here first.
Can you close my door?
He will. He'll take care of it.
No,
Okay. Just come here.
I don't want you in my f***ing car. After... No,
What's
he
your
was a
name?
dick,
What's your
man.
name?
I haven't done anything.
Okay, what's your name? Hey, I'm not the one that. I'm not the one that pulled you over. Okay, so what's your name?
Can you get up?
Just relax. What's your name? What's your name? Natalie. Okay, Natalie. Okay. Well, I don't know what happened in the situation.
I have it recorded. Can you, you want to see it? It's
Just
on my
relax.
phone.
I don't know anything with what happened here. I'm here because we're gonna get you in here. Do you have anything on you that's illegal? Anything on you whatsoever?
No, you can check the car and
Okay,
I'm not
we're gonna
doing
face right over
anything,
here
man.
for me. Okay, everything is being video and audio recorded. Okay, just relax. I'll make sure these cuffs are properly secured on you. Okay. You said your hand is. You said your. What's wrong with your hand? Your right hand. You said it was. You said it was
I'm going
like.
to the hospital and I'm f***ing uninsured. I can't go.
Okay, is your hand broken or something or what?
I've had a broken arm before and yes, I feel it right here on this side. This is where I got hurt.
Okay. You want me to call paramedics for you? Okay.
I don't have insurance.
That's irrelevant. But if you want us to call paramedics, we can do that to check the hand.
No, I don't. I can't.
All right, I'm gonna double lock these cuffs, make sure they're all good to go on you. All right.
If they come and check you out and you don't go, you don't get charged.
You shine your light.
So if you want him to get them here to sit and check it out, to see, or at least advise you if you need further evaluations, you can do that.
There we go.
How much are they gonna charge?
For that, they charge nothing. If you go, then they bill you. But if they come here and they check you out, hang on, stop moving.
Stop moving. I just gotta make sure these
They
cuffs are
come here and
properly
they check you out,
secured.
they charge you nothing.
I wasn't trying to like move away from you.
No, I get you, but I don't want to hurt you if your arm is, if your wrist is all messed up, okay?
No, it's on my wrist. It's the bone right here, but on this no.
I got this one. This one's good. I mean, you have more than enough room in here. I know they're not made for comfort, okay?
No, I'm not. I don't care.
Okay. I'm just gonna check and make sure you got nothing on you, okay? I'm gonna put your phone. I'm gonna put your phone on your property, okay?
He came out, he pulled me over, I pulled over. And then he came and he was knocking on my passenger. So I put my driver's side down, I cracked it and I said, hey, like, why are you on my passenger?
Sure, I'm listening.
I rolled down my driver's side.
Okay.
Rolled down my driver's side and he's like, he starts trying to open my door.
Okay.
And I'm like, why are you trying to open my door? He's like, does it not open? And does the window not open? I was like, why are you trying, does the window not open? Okay. Yes, it opens. But I have the driver's side, you pulled me over. There's no one in the car. Okay. Like, come talk to me on the driver's side. And then he asked
look up for me? Look up, just make sure.
He asked me for my ID. I don't have it.
Okay.
And so he asked me for my insurance. I gave him my insurance, and then he's like, "What's that?" It's from like years ago. It's not valid. I don't use that. I have a I don't have it on me.
Okay. All right.
My permit is in the car.
I gotcha.
And then he was like, "Show it to me." I gave him my insurance.
What permit are you talking about?
To drive.
The restricted driver permit or something?
And I gave him my insurance, and then afterwards he's like putting in the thing. He's trying to open my door. I'm like, what? Okay. I don't have it. Can you please look up my name? I told him, look up my name. It's on the insurance card, and he has it. Okay. And he grabs it. And he's like, why are you being difficult? You want to make it difficult? I'm like, dude, I'm just saying, look up my name. He's like, oh, what was that? Because he's seen it when I took out my insurance card. Okay.
Can you sit down here for a minute?
And then he's like, wow, you're gonna go to jail. I'm gonna arrest you. He's like, this is my show. You don't run this show. Like,
hey, I want to get you out of this cold because it's cold out
here. I don't care, man.
I know, but can you take a seat right here so we can kick your shoes off for me, okay?
My window's down. Can you please put it
we'll
up?
raise all of it for you. Don't you worry. I need you to come in here for me, please, okay? Watch your head. I'm gonna go in there with you. What do you need out of your car, miss? Do you need anything? I know you have your phone, but do you need anything else?
Some people shouldn't be a cop. He's like, I'm in charge here.
Okay. All right, well,
like,
understand
I
this,
wasn't doing anything.
I wasn't the one
man.
that pulled you over, okay?
No, I know, I'm just saying.
I got you. I got you.
Hey. All right. Natalie, I'm leaving the car here, okay? Your license is good. You could drive. It's not getting towed. Your insurance is good, okay? So the key's gonna go with you, and it's gonna be that. You can come pick up your car after you're done, okay? All right, just so you know.
Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968. Any observable traffic violation constitutes reasonable articulable suspicion sufficient to initiate a lawful investigatory stop. A stop based on 3 independent infractions is legally sound on its face. Heibel v. 6 Judicial District Court of Nevada, 542, U.S. 1772004. States may compel a subject to provide their name during a lawful Terry stop. Whether physical surrender of a license document is required depends on the applicable state statute and is not resolved by Heibel alone. Pennsylvania v. Mims, 434 U.S. 106-1977. An officer may order a driver to exit the vehicle during any lawful traffic stop. This authority covers the order to exit only. The manner of physical removal remains independently subject to constitutional review. Graham v. Connor, 490, U.S. 38-61989. Force must be judged by 3 factors: severity of the crime at issue, whether the subject poses an immediate threat to officer or others, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to flee. All 3 factors weigh against the force level applied in this encounter. 8th and 14th Amendments. 42. U.S.C. Section 1983. A known pre-existing injury reported repeatedly during a custodial encounter triggers an affirmative duty of medical accommodation. Disregarding that report during force application exposes the officer to civil liability for deliberate indifference under Section 1983. Yang v. Hardin, 37 F3, D 282, 7th Circuit, 1994. Officers present at the scene carry a duty to intervene when a fellow officer applies clearly disproportionate force and time and circumstances permit a reasonable intervention. Inaction constitutes an independent constitutional violation. Lessons learned. First name-based database identification offered by the subject at the outset satisfies the identification objective without physical document production. Second, de-escalation is not discretionary courtesy. It is a constitutional obligation assessed under Graham at the proportionality stage. Third, a lawful basis for a stop does not immunize the manner of its execution. Terry, Mims, and Graham operate as sequential and independent legal standards.